Okay, stripping a K31 bolt. First step, put it from fire to in between fire and safe. Once that's done, the operating rod just slides out of the bolt in the front. Then you just push it forward and out through the slot. Once you do that, hold on to the bolt face, twist 90 degrees. Two parts should separate. Then you push out the inner sleeve, which has the extractor claw, and the part with the locking lugs you just put aside for now. Go on to the bolt plug. Now you have to put it back to the firing position. That relieves the pressure on the firing spring. Slide it out. You can see the slot there. Then you have the bolt pretty much all apart. Put it back together. Same thing, reverse. So simple, right? Look for the widest part of the firing pin. Get it onto the shaft. Don't forget to put it back to the half position, halfway. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to do the next part properly. Line up the two pieces. You see these two slots here? Line them up. See, lined up. Hold on to it here. This part where you have the opening that goes all the way to the inside. You line up this part 90 degrees to there. Goes right in. Turn 90 degrees. Those two should now be lined up. Operating rod in through the back. In through the front. Back to fire, and you are finished.